I was really excited when I saw this cute little electric kettle available in the Vine program. I have a nice red electric kettle in my kitchen, but it's big, and I needed something for my studio that had a smaller footprint, and this one does. It's the perfect size, and it comes in white and black, and I ordered the black because that will blend in well with my decor. This pot will hold 2 1/2 cups of water, and the only thing you can boil in here is water. I know in the description it says for water, and it says for tea and coffee, but when they talk about coffee, they mean you can boil water in here for your pour over coffee maker. But you don't want to boil coffee in here because it'll mess up your kettle. So the only thing you want to put in here is pure water, either water from your tap or, bottled water, but not anything else. This has a quick start. It has a plastic body, but the body has it's like texture on here that looks like leather. So it has like a stamped leather finish on it. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I guess you can see that in the light. So it's not just smooth. It has that leather feel. And then on the inside, you have your food grade stainless steel. It's 304 food grade stainless steel. And on the inside, it has your maximum fill line, so you'll know how much water to put in there. You don't want to overfill it. So it is cute. And to turn it on, you just press this button and your LED will come on. It is supposed to be a quick start. These kettles, all of them, heat up very quickly. Before you use the kettle for the first time, you need to boil water in it twice and then pour it out. Once you've done that, then you can put in the actual water that you're going to use. So you have your standard plug base. Just sit your pot down on it, and that is just a nice, sleek look. So I'm going to enjoy having this in my studio. It's low profile, it's attractive, and the price is very reasonable. It takes about 5 minutes for the kettle to boil. I have filled my kettle to the maximum fill line. So now we're going to see with the top on. So the light is on. We'll see how long it takes for it to heat up the water. I put kind of ice cold water in there. So now I have mine plugged into a power tower right there because it's going to be used here in my studio. But when it's not in use, I will unplug it and only plug it in when I'm going to use it. Oh, that scared me. So that click you heard that made me jump was the water's reached its maximum temperature, and so the switch pops up and the indicator light goes off. The power rating is 120 volts. Just remember that when you're connecting to your power source, and you have to have a grounded power source. So that would be, the 3-prong grounding. There is a space underneath the base to wrap the cord, but the plug is still going to stick out, but the cord itself will be wrapped and out of your way.
Okay, I got this little electric tea kettle from Jeff Bezos over there at the Amazons, and it's made by a company called WTJMOV. It is 0.6 liters, which is about 2.5 cups, which is enough to make about 2 cups of coffee. Fairly good size. I'm going to show you how fast it boils here. I got a cup. It's filled most of the way. I like to leave a little space for milk. Dump her on in there. The lid is removable, which I like because that makes it easier to clean. Put her on the base there. Fire her up. Okay, now you can see the size of it there compared to the Yeti mug. And as you can see, I have a Yeti mug, so you know I'm high class. And one of the things I like about this is it only uses 600 watts, which makes a difference to you if you're running this off of a power station that has power limitations. So if you have a power station that can push 600 watts, I'm going to go ahead and venture a guess that this probably will work for you. I'm not a power station scientist, nor am I a tea kettle scientist, but pretty sure that it would. And another nice thing about it is the cord rolls up into the base to save space. I believe they make it in any color that you like, as long as it's black or maybe white. And yeah, I mean, what more is there to be said? Nice little electric boiler. I give it 5 stars.